Hello friends, my name is Paresh and what you see on your screen is Business Central. Now while you're working with this ERP system, every now and then you would have to change some of your settings, which is defined under My Settings. Now as the name suggests, it's the settings for the user who is logged in. So on your app bar, if you click on the settings icon, you will get two options, Personalize and My Settings. We will cover the personalized section in some other video. Let's go and have a look at the My Settings. Now here you will find some very important feature or functions. Like you can choose the role center that is appropriate to your role. Right now we have selected accountant. There are many other role centers which come out of the box from in the system, and you can also configure on your own. So when you choose an accountant role center, or let's say a business manager role center, the system displays a dashboard with all the commonly used actions on navigation, menus, reports, etc., which are most common for that role. Similarly, you can choose, you can select or change the company that you're working in. Right now we are in Kronos AU. If we have created more companies, we can work in that different entity as well. You can verify and change the work date that you're working in, and you can specify the work date, or you can just use the default which the system suggests. You can also specify language that you want to use in your application. Now, Business Central is a multi-language solution. What this means is people who are working in different languages can all work in the same system. Just changing the region will display the text in their own language. And now, for example, the most common thing that happens over here is let's say I'm working in Australia, so we use the terminology GST and not VAT. So if you see VAT displaying on your system, you should know that you have to come into My Settings and change your region to Australia or whatever region that you're working in. If you're in US, you will be using VAT. Now you can also have some regional settings related to the region, like language and time zone. And of course, you can also change your notifications in the system. Now we'll cover the notifications and the personalized section in some other video in detail. For now, I hope you're clear with My Settings. Go ahead, try that out and enjoy. Bye-bye.